Grown-up people taking lollipops. This cola. I am getting anxiety now. Stop. Can you see? It's fine. Just stay away from bisons. And I'm wearing red. I'm Varnya. Welcome back to my channel. I'd highly appreciate if you take a moment, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. Yesterday night we came to the Kodaikanal base in this bus and we just got down at 6:40 in the morning and we are going to Kodaikanal in an Innova right now. I came here with 3 of my other college friends. It's like a college ending fun trip. They're here, they're inside having coffee and yeah. KGF. Yeah, not KGF, but that Sampurnesh Babu's video you have to watch. We'll show that heart scene in YouTube. That heart scene in YouTube, we have to show these people and traumatize them. It's 8:30 and we finally made it to Kodai and it's shivering cold right now. It's 12 degrees or something and yeah, full foggy, smoggy. We stopped for breakfast right now and we went to a small bakery where they had like freshly baked bread and we're having dosa also. So yeah, we're gonna whale away time until 1 p.m. when our Airbnb check-in is. So
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
We thought we'll stay here until 1. We got kicked out. They're like, new customers are there, go. Now we're going to some lakeside. Yeah. And stay there.
We found it, now we're taking her.
We're going there and walking there. Let's go. We just are left in the middle of nowhere. We found this beautiful lake park. There are like paddle boats and all. We'll stay here. We'll walk here.
One eternity later.
We got kicked from the second place also. It started raining. Got the cab so overpriced. 350 for 3 kilometers, guys. And that's the standard price here. Let's go.
Our name is Kaveri.
Ninga Albert, huh?
Albert.
Okay.
Full name on the Albert Rajakumar ma.
Oh.
Rajakumar. நான் ஒரே பையன்மா என்னோட சிஸ்டர் 6 அது வேண்டாம்மா
Dolphins no sir.
அது இடுப்பு வலிக்குமா பயங்கரமா
back pain.
இவங்க எல்லாம் பயங்கரமான
அண்ணா நல்லா இருக்கும்.
ஏமா அதுக்கு தமிழ் தெரியாதா?
தெரியும் கொஞ்சம் தெரியும்.
ஏமா இடுப்புனா இந்த இடம் வலிக்கும்.
நடு. Okay.
back hip.
அது ரொம்ப பெயின் ஆயிருமா?
புரியுதண்ணா.
அதனால வேண்டாம்.
Okay. அண்ணா என்ன சஜஷன் அப்போ?
ட்ரெக்கிங் போனோம்
ஒரு வாட்டர் ஃபால்ஸ் போனோம் ஒரு ட்ரெக் வாட்டர் ஃபால்ஸ் not even lying, this is the most beautiful view property. Temperature, it's literally like fog, no, not even fog, we're amidst the clouds and that there is the Airbnb or something. We have our guide Mr. Levin who should be joining us right now. Look at how big this flower is. This is my hand. Yeah. Very cold. Beautiful. Okay, so it's 1:30 right now. We have changed. Yeah, okay, so basically we all changed. We're ready to go to Bryant Park and Coker's Walk. That's the plan for today. and grocery shopping because we are gonna make noodles.
We don't have milk.
We
to
don't
make
have
tea.
milk, and by the way,
We
these
made-
two are making tea.
Main chef.
Main
and
chef,
sous chef.
sous chef, main chef, and then I'm the taster.
Taster.
Basically, we're gonna get ready, all four of us. We're gonna go grocery shopping, Bryant Park, Cocos Walk, come back. Cycling, if possible. Yeah, that's the plan.
When is
And-
voting?
Boating, what boating?
He's like, okay, guys,
So,
forget
yeah.
about it. Leave it.
So Kaveri just made tea. Put it in wine glass. Oh my god, there's supposed to be view, but it's fully cloudy.
Foggy.
Yeah. Taking over Varenya's vlog. We made tea. Should keep it like this, we won't be seen. Random to check. Yeah, random to check. Thanks.
How did you do this with Wayanad people?
I didn't. So yeah, our expedition started. Let's go, Kaveri.
Bison won't come now.
What is that? Pre-Christmas attire.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. Photo session going on. That bench is our vision. And look at those flowers. So pretty. Can anybody tell that it's 250? Looking at this. Someone told. Big trekkers. Let's go, guys. Long way to go. 1 hour. We have to go to eat.
Scam your subscribers.
1
We are
hour.
going to take a cab.
No,
We're not.
we are not taking-
I'm genuinely not taking a cab.
1 hour, 2 minutes.
1 hour only, no? And the climate is so good. Where will we get this in Chennai? Let's go. Snacks, that guy ate raw. That guy ate the lace. Secretly, Madhav.
Goody biscuit and moong dal.
On the way to Brand Park, we asked this lorry guy lift.
Okay, now.
We got in the lorry! He was like, you're going in the wrong direction. Come, I'll drop you. All four of us. Hope we end up safe. So yeah, we got down, we paid him 100, and then we're going to a hotel to have our lunch. It's 3:30 right now. Yeah, let's go. Done with lunch. We're on our way to Bryant Park. Yeah, on the way we got carrots. Feel being 6 months away from graduation. We'll not see each other after this, by the way.
Good until you.
She'll go to Bangalore. Yeah. I just crossed my mind that it's a graduation trip.
Don't let it cross you. Many more trips to come.
Hopefully. Let's make it an annual tradition or something. We saw this board, Marty's hot chocolate. It's so popular. We were like, let's go. We have to go.
My frame.
Let's go. Let's have some good hot chocolate now. Kaveri, you ruined my entire shot.
I made it better.
It's 5 o'clock and I can barely see anything. Oh, from the Bryant Park, we're walking this very, what is that? High slope road, which it's exciting honestly. Looks fun. Can you see? So cool. It's actually, I think, less than 10 degrees. Bro, what's the weather now? Climate? Less than 10, no? 10 now. Wow. So cold.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up.
Say hi.
Your head is getting nothing except your head is seen. Exactly.
Oka vision, yeah.
Oka, what? I don't know the dialogue. Oka, no, Oka.
Oka. Oka.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Dinner sorted. We're in the middle of nowhere. He took the responsibility for maps, and I think we got lost.
We are not Grand Park is 100 meters away.
We took a full circle and came back to Bryant Park, guys. Blame this guy. Now we have to walk again.
One eternity later.
Utapama and Maggie and apple cake.
The next day.
Hi guys, it's the day 2. Yesterday was super chaotic. We cooked Maggie and then we were watching Mr. Bean until 12 and then we slept. So yeah, we woke up late. It's almost 11 o'clock right now. Freezing. We got ready. Kaveri, the main chef, made black tea for all of us since there's milk shortage. And you wanna say hi, sous chef? He looks like a school kid in Kodaikanal boarding school.
No, we are going to get him admission.
We'll get him admission. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Moving on. Today's plan is to go on a dolphin's nose trek, which is apparently medium level, easy to medium level, and it'll take maybe 1 hour up, 1 hour there, 1 hour back. So yeah, that's the plan, and today seems a little warmer to me than yesterday. Oh my god.
I'm dying here. She's saying it's warmer today.
It is warmer today, yeah. Yesterday was like really cold, and
Have pity of him from yesterday.
bro, today evening we'll
I
play.
was sleeping with this couple, but he was stinking so bad.
Oh my god. Today seems so much better. You can see the view, but yesterday just clouds. Super foggy. Let's go. Let's go. Falls. You can't see. We came from all the way there, trekked down.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
We're halfway maybe into the trek. We spotted a bison. Can you give this? I'll cover myself. And our guide specifically wants stay away from bisons because they're very wild, and she's wearing red on top of that. Cover.
No, let them come.
Let's go. Bison. Hey, don't go yet.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's
On this, you're taking green apple.
I'm taking orange.
Grown-up people taking lollipops. This is cola. Fruity, yeah.
You should not litter.
Fruity flavor. Thank you.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good.
We spotted a waterfall. Made it to the nose. That is the point. We'll take pictures and go. Please don't go far. Enough? Don't scare me. Okay. Bro,
తీస్తున్నావా లేదు నాది
I swear. Hey, bro.
బ్రో
I'm getting anxiety, ra. Stop.
పోతుందేరా పచ్చి ఎన్నికల కవర్కి పోతుంది నువ్వు తీసుకోరు ఈ మందు తీసుకురా పట్ట
Vlog channel. Pictures clicked. Kaveri sending this photo to your mom. Hey, I'm risking my life here and you're looking at photo. Done? Now we're going on the way back. Till now, the moment video on, finally reached. The sweater got wet. Imagine my scarf before and after. Done with lunch. Let's go. Lunch at 5. Now let's go and have desserts. Shopping for home done. Tindi Pampakalu 101. So we finally came back to our Airbnb. Our bedroom is a mess. And right now we're just going around the Airbnb, taking a stroll.
What happened?
Yeah. So basically, story time.
Yeah.
We came back from the desert eating thing.
Dessert.
Desserts. Not desert. This was sweating. We were sweating. And now it's like super cold.
Such a temperature difference, bro.
And tell no what you want that. I forgot.
Okay, on the stroll, hopefully we don't encounter any bisons.
Oh yeah, bro. 2 cab drivers, they warned us. Everything is fine. Just stay away from bisons.
Like, what are they? I'm wearing red.
We saw one in the trek. No. Perfect.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Went out, got ourselves aloo parathas. Let's have dinner and go to bed. Or no, play Monopoly. That's the plan.
and it's just begun. As she put
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the day 3, last day here. We're going. And yesterday night was crazy. Tell them what we did.
Incantation.
So yeah, we watched.
It was a good idea or a bad idea, but we did.
We watched Incantation and then we played cards. Cozy. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this temperature again. And then as usual, Kaveri made tea for all of us. Black tea, milk shortage.
Black tea, no sugar.
No sugar, healthy. So yeah, oh my god, the view is crazy.
I swear. First day we weren't able to see all this because it was super foggy.
Yeah, and yesterday was sunny. Today is just very windy. Like I put cotton inside,
literally
still
experiencing all kinds of weather.
So yeah, that's the plan. Today's plan is gonna be.
And if you're seeing this, please get me money.
Okay, so the point is today we're going to Pumbare village, which is close to Kodaikanal. Yeah, I was like Pondi. Pumbare, and then what else?
That
Mannavanur Lake,
and some
and then yeah, we
church,
booked the package,
some sheep farm, all that.
all that,
Good itinerary.
good itinerary for like 5-6 hours, and then we'll
Roti is cool.
yeah, and then we'll come back, immediately go to the bus stand because our bus is at 7:30. So yeah, all ready, all packed, going on a day trip. Let's go.
wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shine.
So on the way to Pumbare, we stopped in the middle of a pine forest. Too many monkeys. Oh my god, it's so cold. We saw pine cones, full pine forest. So we made it to Pumbare. This beautiful, colorful village is Pumbare. Too much traffic, so we got down and we're walking all the way to the famous Murugan temple here. Next stop, Manavanur Lake with sheep farm, rabbit farm and all that. We just took a ticket, 20 rupees per person, and let's go spot some animals. It's 3 o'clock right now. We're done with the Manavanur Lake and all the touristy stuff. We wanted to do kayaking, but it got shut lunch break. That was an L. But yeah, let's go have some lunch. So from all the day trips, everything, we came back to our Airbnb, all packed, checking out in maybe half an hour. Kaveri, how does it feel? College life over, you're going back to Bangalore.
I don't know.
We'll probably meet again for convocation.
Not daily though.
Convocation we'll meet next, that's all.
Not every day like classes though. Bro, tea is ready.
Giving this as...
Aishu has to restock her tea.
Yeah, Ash. Oh, where is the tea?
It is almost
We've completed half almost.
Ah.
Thank you, Aishu, for hosting us.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, viewers.